Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix some iCloud data isn't syncing issue on your Apple device. So guys, if you're facing this issue and you're unable to fix it, here I will show you how can you easily fix this issue. So guys, the very first solution for this problem is that you have to simply open settings and then go to general and then iPhone storage, and from here you have to simply delete some useless apps from your device for one time. So guys, do this, and after this go back and now go to your iPhone storage again, and from here check if your iPhone storage is full. Then you have to simply delete some data from your iPhone storage which is useless for you. So guys, do this, and after this you have to simply restart your device for one time as well. So guys, do this and check if the problem is fixed or not, and if the problem is still there, then go for the next solution. That is, you have to simply go back again and then go to your profile and then go to iCloud, and from here you have to simply turn on or turn off the iCloud on your device. So guys, go to iCloud backup, and from here if it is off, then you have to simply turn it on. So guys, do this and check if the problem is fixed or not, and if the problem is still there, then you have to simply go for the next solution. That is, you have to simply restart your device for one time, and then you have to simply sign out your Apple ID and sign in your Apple ID again on your device. So guys, you have to simply sign out your account from your device for one time and sign in your account again on your device. So guys, do this and check if the problem is fixed or not, and if the problem is still there, then you have to simply contact the Apple support team for further information and help. So guys, hopefully they will try to fix this problem for you within 24 hours. So guys, that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.